Hi everybody! Welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with my daughter Sakura because we are doing an unboxing. We like to do these together. They're a lot of fun and I'm hoping that this has some really awesome products in it. I do remember, hey, don't block my face. I do remember seeing spoilers for this, but I don't remember all of them. So go ahead and rip her on open.
We don't want to rip it.
Well, gently open. So first, there's a little magazine on top that talks about the products that are inside the box. Okay, first up, we have this little Belief. This is the True Cream, the Aqua Bomb Aloe Vera. I have tried the Aqua Bomb before, but I don't know if the Aloe Vera one is different or if it's a different one. I think this must be different than the usual Aqua Bomb, right?
So we have...
Ooh, smell.
Mmm.
It is like a light green, pale color. It has a really pleasant, slight scent, nothing too serious. I remember liking the original Aqua Bomb, so I will certainly use this. So we have a full-size Purelisse product. That is awesome. Go ahead and open the box.
Aha!
Guys, that's really cool. Purelisse is not a, super affordable brand, I don't think, and this is just a $15 box. I haven't looked at the value, but I'm positive that this covers it and more.
Beauty tip. Use on dry skin for deeper clean.
Okay. Ooh, look at it. It's in a really pretty pink container. We're getting high reflection there from the window there in front of us. But the watermelon charcoal purifying cleanser. This gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, purifies, and energizes. Let's smell it. I know it's a cleanser, but it's fine.
I think it might.
Oh, I think there's a seal on it.
The seal! We're not talking about the animal seal.
I am always appreciative when products have seals on them because I've received many products in subscription boxes that don't, which is always odd. Okay, so... Oh, it's very watermelon-y.
I love it.
I'm not always a huge fan of scents, but I will certainly be trying that out. That is awesome to get a full-size product in this Allure. Okay.
And here, this is a Super 8 lip oil.
Ooh! I remember I saw this spoiler and this is the one I was excited about. This is from Yensa. It's upside down. This is from Yensa. This is a Super 8 lip oil. I know they have a few different colors. Let's open it up and see what color we have. And this looks like a full-size product. This is in Pink Shine. Oh my. It looks crazy, but I'm pretty positive that once you actually put it on your lips, it's just a light wash of color. So let's try swatching it.
It's beautiful.
It's really pink, isn't it? Oh, see? Look at that. Here, you want to swatch it? So look at that. It's just a really light, sheer wash of color. I will easily enjoy this. And let's smell it. What does it smell like?
Watermelon.
It smells like watermelon. Woo! It matches that Purelisse. That is another really good product to get. Yensa also is, not a drugstore brand. So that is exciting.
Face mask, but you also got something else.
The next up looks like we have a mask from Star Skin, which I think I've heard of before. This is 100% camellia, nourishing and brightening. It's a 2-step oil sheet mask. So inside comes the sheet mask and here is the oil. So I think you use the oil first. Yeah, you use the camellia oil first and then you use the sheet mask. So that'll be fun to try.
And the best for last. Here, eye mask.
Next, something from Shang Pri. This is the Spa Care System Gold Black Pearl Eye Mask. Eye masks are fun. I will also use that. That'll be fine.
The best thing ever!
Oh, goodness. Oh, we've got nails. It's a good thing she's excited about those because I really don't care.
Oh,
so it comes with a little nail file. And then it looks like we've got some super sparkly, like shiny ones. Ones with just kind of lines on them. Ones with like cross-hatching kind of like on them. And then what's that? Are those
letters?
Kind of like shapes. Like shapes and triangles and stuff. It comes with directions to apply them. So, I actually have never tried like stick-on nails like this. They do look pretty, actually. They look really grown up and lovely. But although they're still pretty enough for Sakura to enjoy them, the sparkles. But I think this was an awesome Allure box, especially for this lip oil and this Purelisse product. And I mean, she's excited about the nails, so that's good. I'm glad someone will get some use out of those. Let's look at the price point of these things. Looks like this Star Skin 2-step mask is a $10 mask.
So beautiful!
Next up, if you bought this in a full size, it would be $38. This is a Belief True True Cream Aqua Bomb aloe vera version. The Yensa Super 8 lip oil. This is a $28 lip oil. Holy moly. Oh, we've got a puppy. We've got a puppy. The nail set that she's got over there would be $9. We'll show you the puppy here in a second. This Pure Release cleanser is an $18 cleanser. These usually come in a tub of 60. If you were to buy the tub of 60, it would be $60. Definitely the most exciting thing in here for me is this Yensa lip oil, a $28 lip oil. That's pretty awesome. All right, here's our new little member of the family. This is Moon. She just woke up from a nap and she's super sweet. I went and took off my lip product. You want to try it?
I'm good.
No? Okay, so.
Shiny lips. I already have pink lips. So.
Shine. You do already have pink lips. That's a happy thing for you.
Yeah.
So this is almost clear. It's just going on, you know, obviously very thin, like a lip oil. I've used a couple lip oils before and it feels like the other ones that I've tried. Really pleasant and smells really, really good. So I will absolutely use this. This is a really nice summer item, actually. This is the type of look I go for in the summertime. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us as we unboxed our, let's see, what month was that? June. June.
You forgot what month it was?
Yes, time has been going by crazily. Okay, thank you for being with us as we unboxed our June Allure box. See you next time, guys. Bye.